Is it time to buy or sell the SOXL ETF? In this video, we will explore the SOXL ETF in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 8th of July, 2025, and we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and activate the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Access the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 4th of June, 2025, our system has identified SOXL as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.39. Let's examine the ETF's performance during this time. Those who heeded our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 38.14% since we first designated SOXL as a buy candidate 23 days ago. This equates to an average return of 1.66% each day since it was identified as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is situated at the upper end of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term. This positioning typically presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $26.93 will initially signal an increased rate of ascent. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of 169.31% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 137.19% to 175.7%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of negative 53%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 100% to negative 53.43% over the coming year. In practical terms, this would suggest a future price range somewhere between $0 and $12.28. Our latest daily update for SOXL includes the headline. On Tuesday, SOXL ETF price gained an impressive 5.61%. The SOXL ETF price gained 5.61% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 8th of July, 2025. The price rose from $24.97 to $26.37. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 6.59%. Ranging from a low of $25.36 to a high of $27.03. The price has increased in 6 out of the last 10 days and is up by 22.2% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 2 million shares, with a total of 89 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $2.36 billion. It is important to note that declining volume combined with rising prices may signal divergence and could serve as an early warning of possible changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $70.08, while the lowest price was $7.23. Currently, the price is 62.37% or $43.71 below the 52-week high and 93.03% or $351.87 below the all-time high reached on the 26th of November, 2020, when the price peaked at $378.24. The Direction Daily Semiconductor Bull 3x Shares Exchange Traded Fund, SOXL, is currently positioned for potential upside, as indicated by recent market activities. On June 27th, analysts identified SOXL as a tactical bullish setup in response to sector flows and growing demand in the artificial intelligence market. This may suggest a promising short-term trajectory, especially with strong options and gamma positioning around the $25 mark, indicating that buy signals are accumulating for possible upward movements. Furthermore, SOXL has been featured in discussions of top-performing leveraged exchange-traded funds, illustrating its recent positive momentum. Despite a challenging period, where it fell sharply from last year's $69 to around $17 due to concerns in the artificial intelligence sector, the recent developments hint at a significant recovery opportunity. A proposed bull call spread for July targeting a range between $27 and $32, further reinforces the outlook for considerable upside. In the broader context, the technology sector's recovery, exemplified by NVIDIA's resurgence in the data center segment, signals renewed investor confidence. This resurgence, combined with the current bullish sentiment towards semiconductor stocks, positions SOXL well for both short-term gains and potential long-term growth, provided the demand for semiconductors continues on its upward trajectory in alignment with advancements in artificial intelligence. Observing these trends will be essential for investors looking to maximize their positioning in this volatile yet opportunistic sector. The following signals have been identified for SOXL. The SOXL exchange-traded fund holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive forecast for the fund. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. Should there be any downward corrections, support is expected at $25.53 and $20.84. A breakdown below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal is present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. It's worth noting that trading volume decreased during the last trading day, despite a rise in prices. This discrepancy between volume and price could serve as an early warning sign. Therefore, the ETF warrants close attention. Some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, July 3, 2025, and so far, it has remained unchanged. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 3 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 138 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 42 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 41 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 52 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 21 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 14 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SOXL. SOXL finds support from accumulated volume at $25.11, which may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support level is tested. This exchange-traded fund is known for its daily fluctuations and is considered high risk due to a significant prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band. Over the last day, the ETF experienced a movement of $1.67 between its high and low, representing a change of 6.59%. In the past week, the ETF has shown an average daily volatility of 5.81%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SOXL. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the exchange-traded fund could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this case, you might want to enter a position and use volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, SOXL encounters its first support level at $25.11. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $25.56, which reflects a decrease of 3.06%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits significant daily fluctuations, indicating a high level of risk. A sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 2 days ago. Is the SOXL ETF a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with a generally favorable trend, suggest that the current price level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for the SOXL ETF to perform well in the near term. After assessing the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 9th of July, we anticipate that SOXL will open lower by approximately 11.7 cents and commence trading at $26.25. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. It is important that you do not base your investment choices solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree that you are responsible for your own investment decisions. Here is our current perspective on the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day with best wishes from all of us at Stock Invest.